Ekason. Good afternoon.
Yeah. Zeno got knows it all.
Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ruth. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for joining this video. As you can tell by the title, I am back again with another Yoruba video. So in today's video, I'm going to be I'm going to be talking about 7 greetings in Yoruba language, or 7 ways to greet in the Yoruba language. So of course, there's a lot of ways to greet. There's so many ways you can greet people. You can greet out there. So I'm going to be telling you just 7 of them and how you say them in the Yoruba language. Okay guys, before we get into this video, of course, again, please, you gotta subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel, give my video a thumbs up, and let's get right into it right now. So guys, good morning. How do you say good morning in Yoruba language? Like good morning. So very simple. Like Yoruba is so simple. Like I always say this, it's true. It's so simple and easy to learn. Okay, how do you say good morning in the Yoruba language? So you just say ekaro. That's good morning. And then maybe it's whoever you're greeting, you probably want to add your name. Ekaro. Okay, ekaro ma. And then whatever you add to the end depends on whoever you're greeting. Ekaro ma, ekaro sa, ekaro bubunyo, ekaro bubu. Like whatever you're adding to the end is like depends on who you're greeting. But yeah, ekaro means good morning. Very simple, straightforward, simple. Good afternoon, ekason. So yeah, good afternoon is ekason. You know, it's the noon time. It's sunny. It's looking beautiful, and you want to greet people in Yoruba language. So you just need to say ekason ma, ekason sa, ekason remio. Okay, that was not funny. Why am I laughing? Ekason. Good afternoon. That's how you say good afternoon in Yoruba language. It's very simple. Like so simple. Like simple. And of course, the next is good evening. Ekale. Oh yeah, good evening has a couple of ways to say it. I think 2 ways or 3 ways to say it. So for good evening, you can say ekale, ekuroleo. Yeah. So I don't know if this actually depends on greeting population or one person. I don't know. I'm thinking it actually depends on that, but you can actually say both ways for good evening, ekale and ekurole. So I'm pretty sure you can say this to anybody. Like it doesn't matter the crowd, the population of who you're greeting. Yeah, but yeah, it's ekale. But if it does depend on greeting a lot of people or just one person, then guys, if you are a Yoruba speaker who knows so much about the Yoruba language, let me know in the comment section below. But I'm pretty sure you say ekale and ekurole for good evening. The next, how are you doing? So how are you doing today, my friend? So how do you say that in the Yoruba language? Báwo ni, báwo lẹ wà, báwo ni gbogbo nǹkan. Okay, you guys, I'm actually lost in my Yoruba just a little bit, but I'm still there, okay? Don't get me wrong. I'm not going to lose it. I'm going to be firm in my Yoruba language and be pretty fluent. But I'm kind of gradually losing a little, but I'm going to step up my game and get it right and stay there. I don't want to lose it. But yeah, how are you doing? Báwo ni ọ̀rẹ́ mi, báwo ni gbogbo nǹkan, báwo lẹ wà, ṣé wà pa, like say that ni gbogbo nǹkan. Yeah, that's how you say how are you doing, or how's it going in the Yoruba language. So how do you say goodbye in Yoruba? Like how do you say bye? How do you say goodbye, my friend? Goodbye, my neighbor. Goodbye, my auntie. Goodbye. How do you say goodbye in the Yoruba language? It's pretty simple. You just need to say odabo. Odabo, Remi. Odabo. Simple. It's very simple. Like that's it. So that's how you say bye or goodbye. It's odabo. The next. For the next way of greeting here. What's crazy is I don't know how to say this in English. Like I know it's crazy. Like there's some things that are just so hard to translate in English. It's like, how do you say this in English? I've been thinking so hard. Like, how do you say ekule? Okay, let's not do that. Okay, for you guys, Yoruba speakers watching this video right now, can you please tell me how you say ekule in English? Because I've been thinking so hard and like just like stressing my brain out. Like I don't know what is ekule in English. It's like ekule, but I know what it is. But I can explain to you when you say ekule when you want to greet someone. But then like, what is exactly ekule in English? There's no English for that. Anyways, ekule, it's a greeting, and you say this when you come back from somewhere to the house. When you come to the house and there are people in the house, so you say to them ekule. So I think it means like well done being in the house, or like, oh, I'm back. You know, just that's how you greet people in the house. And when you come back from a place to the house, and to people who has been in the house, who have been in the house, you say ekule. Ekule. But then it's like ekule itself has no meaning in English. Like there's no way to say ekule in, like, what is it? Like I've been thinking, I don't know. So if you know what you can call that in English, if you know how to translate that in English, please feel free and go ahead, and I beg you, please comment in the comment section below and tell me how you can say ekule in English, because like there's no way to say this in English. I don't know why it's like that. Like I feel like in every language there's always this word that you really cannot translate in English. So please let me know if you know how to say ekule in English. But yeah, ekule is a greeting that you say to people who have been home when you come back from a place to the house. Yeah, like I said before. Okay, you guys, the next is how you say well done. Like, you know, well done. How do you say that in Yoruba? So to say well done in Yoruba, you say ekushe. Yeah, that's what you say, ekushe. Even though ekushe actually translates strictly to someone who's working, like who's been working or who's kind of busy, and you're like ekushe or ekushe, but it actually means well done, like well done, well done. So yeah, you say ekushe, well done. Also say ele, ele. Yeah, it's a greeting, but like it's similar to well done. Ele, ele ma, ele sa. But then that's another thing I cannot translate strict in English. But then I think it's similar to well done. Ele ma, ele sa. It's like it's pretty similar to well done to someone it's kind of like someone who's busy, who's doing something, who's been busy all day and all time, and you're like, well done. Like, it's similar to that. So you say ele ma, ele sa. And another one that I don't really know how to translate strictly, like translate in English, exact in English, is erorao. Okay, so that sound like be careful, or like take it slowly, but like it's a kind of a greeting, you know, like erorama, erorao, like. But what exactly does it mean? You know, I don't know like how exactly do you translate this in English? Like if you know, please let me know in the comment section below. Yeah, but that's part of the greetings. They say erorao, but I translate that really like straight in English. I don't know how to translate that. So if you know, please let me know in the comment section below. I will be expecting the comments on these words that I don't know what they mean in English. Good night. How do you say good night? Good night, my friend. I see you tomorrow. So how do you say good night in Yoruba? Exact way to say good night. If you're greeting someone, odabo, esundadao. That's probably the only way you can say good night. Like, you know, sleep well. Yeah. But if you know any way, if you know there's a way to say good night, or there's something else they say for good night, let me know in the comment section. In the comment section below. So you guys, yeah, this is it for this video. If you have any suggestion of what I can do with the Yoruba language, of just any kind of videos suggestion that you have that I can do with the Yoruba language, please do let me know in the comment section. Guys, this is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching my videos. If you enjoy watching my videos, please, you know what to do. Subscribe to my channel, and make sure to click on the bell beside it to get notified each time I post a video like this one. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.